I'm here to review the Purely Inspired 7-Day Cleanse. What I will say is initially I'll search Amazon for many different cleansing supplements. I will say that I lost about 15 pounds. And I also add to that, because sometimes when you say things that it grabs people's attention, I lost 15 pounds because along with the cleanse, I also removed sugar out of my diet. So that's actually important as well to realize. One of the things that I will say is that the 7-Day Cleanse, it is a clean poop. It's clean. It didn't ever feel explosive or anything like that. It came out clean and smooth. It does a great job at cleaning out your colon. I will just say that this product is probably best for somebody who's looking to change their diet, looking to do a lifestyle change as far as what they put inside their body, put inside their mouth as far as food. I will say that I was looking to lose some weight. Again, one of the biggest factors for me had been removing sugar from my diet in addition to this cleanse. Because I feel like for some people, if you get the cleanse and you don't really change your diet, you may not see as much gains as somebody who, or should I say weight loss. You may not see as much weight loss as somebody who is going to get the cleanse and use it as they change their diet. So I think that for those who will see the most results out of this 7-Day Cleanse are those who are going to use the 7-Day Cleanse supplement as an addition while they continue to change their diet and change their lifestyle as it relates to eating. I will say again, I usually took them, I work overnights. So I usually took them when I got home in the morning time. And then usually when I got back to work that night, they would kick in when I got back to work. And sometimes it would kick in during the day as well. But mostly it takes quite a while from what I experienced for the kick in. Maybe that's because my colon was so backed up from all the crap and junk. But again, it's a good product. I would recommend it. You will see weight loss with this product. Whether or not you retain the weight loss is solely up to you, and whether or not you intend to change your diet. So thank you for watching my review.